Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Roblox game client is not responding. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So, if you want to fix your Roblox here not responding properly, you can't play any games, well, the first thing that you want to do is you want to make sure that you close Roblox completely. So to do that, you want to go and just press Control, Shift, Escape at the same time on your keyboard, or you can just go to your search bar at the very bottom here and just type in Task Manager and open it up. Now in here, you want to go and look or select Roblox client, game client here. Right click on it and click on End Task. Now you may need to scroll down a bit here and look for anything that is similar to Roblox. Now if you do see one, again right click on it and just click on End Task. But once you've done that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to change a few settings here. So you want to go to your search bar here, so just type in Roblox. I was going to choose Roblox player here, but instead of selecting it, you want to go and right click on it, and you want to go and click on open file location. Now this will open up a new folder, so you want to go and right click on Roblox player again, and click on the open file location again. Now you should see the actual .exe file, so Roblox player beta.exe. So in this case, you want to go and right click on it, and you want to go ahead and choose the properties option. Now from here, you want to go to compatibility. Now you want to go and choose the run this program in compatibility mode 4, and you can go and choose Windows 8. Now from here, you want to go and choose the option that says run this program as administrator, and you can go and click on disable full screen optimizations. Go and click on apply, and OK. Now you may want to copy the location, so at the very top here, you want to go and copy the whole location here. And what you need to do next is you want to go ahead and just close this one, go to your search bar, just type in display, and you want to open up display settings. Now inside display settings here, what you need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here, and you want to look for the graphics section. Let's go and select this one. Now in here, you want to go and click on the add desktop app. Let's go and select this one, and you want to go and just go to the very top here and just space whatever we just copied before. Just press enter. Now you want to go and select Roblox player beta.exe, click on add. Now, once you've added this, you should be able to see it in here, but if not, you could go and just type in Roblox to make it a lot easier for you. Now, you want to go and just expand this one. And from here, you want to go and choose GPU preference. Now, you can go and choose the high performance option here. This is especially important if you're using let's just say a laptop. So sometimes laptop would have 2 GPUs. So that's why choosing the high performance one is really important. But in this case, you want to go ahead and just close this window and see if that actually helps. Now, by the way, you may want to restart your PC so that all changes would actually apply. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.